Let's see this simple calculator, where I can add, subtract, multiply and divide any two numbers. I selected 3 for multiplication. This asks for two numbers to multiply and I got the correct output, 9. Now let's see how to code. First I defined these functions, then these print statements. Then user inputs as a choice and ask for two numbers. And at last, logic of the program, if-else conditions. So let's run it again. This is our simple calculator. And can you improve it? Let's try to write a program to find a number is even or odd, so let's start. I first defined a number n, which will take input as a string. Let's see, enter a number. And let's convert it into an integer number first. Okay, so now call a function to send this number, function name and that number. And let's quickly create that same name function with receiving parameter as a number. Here is real logic. If we divide the number by 2 and get 0, we will simply print even, because this will be even. And in else case, I will print odd. So this is a very small program to understand functions, conditions and many more. Let's run it again. 5 is odd number, and 22 is even. So if I enter marks 90, I will get A, if I enter 60, I will get C, and if 10, I will fail. So let's code it, guys. I have a variable marks, which takes input from user. Let's say, enter your marks. As marks are integers, convert input to integers. Okay, let's start the main logic. If marks are greater than equals 90, simply print grade A. Let's copy and paste this condition 3 times. Let's change second condition to elif. Also marks 75 and grade B. Again same, but marks above 50 in grade C. And at last, else fail. So this was a short program to understand if-else conditions. Use any option in this ATM. 1 to check balance. 2 to withdraw balance. I want to withdraw 100. Now the remaining balance will be 900. And if want to withdraw amount greater than my balance, that's not allowed. And the last third option, to exit the program. Let's code it, guys. Let's create balance variable first, with the value 1000. Then a while loop, till the condition is true. And paste our 3 choices here. Let's give user a choice, and take user input, enter your choice. Choice will be a number, so convert input into an integer. User can choose 1, can choose 2, also can choose 3, and else. If user chooses 1, simply print the balance with current amount. If user chooses 3, simply print, thank you and exit the program by break. And else for invalid choice. Let's carefully understand choice 2 logic. Ask user to input the amount to withdraw. If amount is less than equals balance, cut that amount from balance. Balance minus equals amount. And print, withdrawal successful. And else, print insufficient balance. So this was our mini ATM program.